Magic Vertex Painter is a powerful Blender add-on that enables you to paint and scatter objects, grass, flowers, mushrooms, or any custom models directly on surfaces using Vertex Paint. It supports up to 10 painting channels, each linked to different objects, allowing for complex multi-object distribution, perfect for game development, environment art, virtual production, and animation. Magic Vertex Painter will continue to add more main objects and model in the future. Download Magic Vertex Painter and install the Magic Vertex Painter add-ons. Click the checkboxes to select main model, ground color, and plane shadow. Select the model you want, then click OK. Click Draw to start painting. Click Eraser to erase. Click Blur to soften the edges. You can also use Blender's built-in brushes at the bottom left and top left. Setting the brush color to pure black will erase, while setting it to pure white will paint. If you don't want the preset ground color, plane color, or main model, you can use the checkboxes to toggle their visibility and choose whether or not to import them into the main model. You can also create a plain model yourself and ensure it has enough vertices. The more vertices it has, the better the colors will look when rendered. You can use a sphere, icosphere, or other models as the main model when working with Magic Vertex Painter. Select the object, then click Paint Object. Select Channel 1 and set it to the icosphere you just added. Select Channel 2 and set it to the sphere you just added. Here I will show you how to adjust the ground color. The color ramp panel in the UI is used to adjust the ground color. Channel 1 is Escape. The RGB color controller to the right of Escape in Channel 10 adjusts the shadow color of Escape in Channel 10. Select the current object, then click Paint Object to paint. You can also adjust the ground color, the lens scale, detail, roughness, linearity, strength, distance, filter width, and factor sliders are all used for terrain adjustments. Select Channel 8 for mushrooms. Click on the RGB color option to adjust the plant shadow color. You can also adjust the plant settings. Density, seed, min scale, max scale, rotate XYZ, and vertical growth are all used to modify the plants. Select Channel 3 for flowers. Adjust the color of the plant shadows. Adjust the plant's density, seed, min scale, max scale, rotate XYZ, and vertical growth. Adjusting vertical growth makes the plants grow upwards, making them look more like natural growth. After finishing painting, click End Painting. At this point, pressing G to move the plane may cause the mushrooms, flowers, and ground to shift, which is normal because the mushrooms and plane haven't been converted to mesh yet. Click Convert to Mesh. See, the mushrooms and ground are now together and no longer shift, but there's no need to worry if the mushroom and flower colors have changed. Click Separate to split the mushrooms, flowers, and ground. Now we need to make the colors of the mushrooms and flowers exactly the same as the main model's color. Click on the main flower object and make sure visibility and camera are enabled. Click on the main flower object. Click Bake PNG, and a small baking settings window will pop up. You can also set the image name, dimensions, and select Bake all materials to one image and keep UVs. This baking option preserves the use of the main model's UVs for baking. Set the same path and click OK to start baking. Please be patient and wait for the baking process to complete. The mushrooms are baked in the same way as the flowers. The baking will output two images. One is a color image, and the other is a normal map image. Baking complete. Select the flower, then in the Material Properties panel, delete all materials assigned to the flower. Open the shader editor and click New to create a new material. Add two image texture nodes and one normal map node. Image Texture 1 connect its color output to the principled BSDF base color, then open the baked color image. Image Texture 2 connect to a normal map node. Connect that node to the principled BSDF normal input, then open the baked normal map image. See, the flower has now become exactly the same color as the main object. Select the mushroom and remove all its materials in the Material Properties panel. Open the shader editor and click New to create a new material. Add two image texture nodes and one normal map node. Image Texture 1 connect its color output to the principled BSDF base color, then open the baked color image. Image Texture 2 connect to a normal map node. Connect that node to the principled BSDF normal input, then open the baked normal map image. See, the mushrooms have also changed to the main object's color. Click the plane to bake and output the color image and normal map image. Baking complete. Select the plane, then delete all its materials in the Material Properties panel. Add 2 image texture nodes and 1 normal map node. Image Texture 1 connect its color output to the principled BSDF base color, then open the baked color image. Image Texture 2 connect to a normal map node. Connect that node to the principled BSDF normal input, then open the baked normal map image. The painting and modeling have been completed.